Unit 16. Making Excuses. Page 106. Exercise 2. Perspectives. At your request. Part A. Who do you think made these requests? Listen and match. 1.
She said to arrive on time for the meeting.
2.
She asked me to pick up some food on the way home.
3.
He said not to miss practice again.
4.
She told me to hand in my homework before Friday.
5.
She said to drink at least 6 glasses of water a day.
6.
He asked me not to tell Mom about his new girlfriend.
7.
He told me not to leave my bike in the apartment hallway.
Page 107. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Reported speech. Requests. Original request.
Arrive on time for the meeting.
Reported request.
She said to arrive on time for the meeting. She told me to arrive on time for the meeting.
Original request.
Don't leave your bike in the apartment hallway.
Reported request.
He said not to leave my bike in the hallway. He told me not to leave my bike in the hallway.
Original request.
Can you pick up some food on the way home?
Reported request.
She asked me to pick up some food.
Page 108. Exercise 6. Conversation. Are you doing anything on Sunday? Part A. Listen and practice.
Hi, Craig.
Oh, hi, Gabriel. How are things?
Just fine, thanks. Are you doing anything on Sunday night?
Sunday night? Let me think. Oh, yes, my brother just called and he told me he had tickets to the basketball finals. I said I would go with him.
Oh, that's too bad. It's my birthday. I'm having dinner with Tina, and I thought I'd invite more people and make it a party.
Oh, I'm really sorry, but I won't be able to make it.
I'm sorry too, but that's okay.
Page 109. Exercise 7. Listening. Making excuses. Part A. Listen to Gabriel invite his friends to his birthday party on Saturday. What excuses do they give for not going? Write them below. 1. Grant.
Hello?
Hi, Grant. This is Gabriel. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Gabriel. Not too bad.
It's my birthday on Saturday, and I thought maybe you'd like to come to my party.
Oh, this Saturday? I really wish I could, but I won't be around this weekend. I'm going with my parents to visit my aunt. She lives about an hour outside the city.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Gabriel. Have a great party, though, and happy birthday.
Oh, thanks. And you have a great weekend with your family, Grant.
Thanks. See you next week.
Okay.
Bye.
2. Sayo.
Hello?
Sayo? Hi, it's Gabriel. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing okay. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. So, Saturday is my birthday, and I was wondering if you'd like to come to my party.
Oh, what time?
Say around 7:30?
Oh, I'm sorry. Saturday is my little sister's birthday, too, and she's having a party. My mom asked me to help her with the food and games.
Oh, okay, Sayo. Well, I hope you have a good time. Tell your sister happy birthday for me.
Thank you, and happy birthday to you. I hope your party's fun.
Yeah, well, I hope so too. See you in class on Monday?
Sure. Bye-bye.
Bye.
3. Diego.
Hello?
Hello, Diego.
Hi, Gabriel. How's it going?
That's going pretty well. How about you?
Not too bad. What's up?
Well, my birthday is Saturday, and I'm having a little party with some friends, and I thought maybe you'd like to come.
Saturday?
Yeah, around 7:30.
Oh, my dad told me to pick him up at the airport at 8:30.
Oh, I didn't know your dad was out of town.
Yeah, he travels a lot for work, and it's really expensive for him to take a taxi home.
Yeah, of course. I understand. Don't worry about it.
I'm really sorry. Okay, well,
See you soon.
take care, Gabriel, and happy birthday.
Thanks, Diego. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
4. Carrie.
Hello?
Hello, Carrie? This is Gabriel.
Oh, hi, Gabriel.
What's wrong?
I think I've got the flu.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I guess you won't be coming to my party on Saturday, huh?
No, I guess not. I'm feeling pretty run down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, hey, take care of yourself, Carrie. I hope to see you next week.
Yeah, me too. Bye.
Page 109. Exercise 7. Part B. Listen. What happens on the night of Gabriel's birthday?
Well, I guess I'll have some cake. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Surprise!
Happy birthday!
Surprise, Gabriel!
Happy birthday, Gabriel!
Oh, wow! Oh, my gosh! Grant, Sayo, wow, what a surprise! Diego! Man, you really fooled me. I had no idea. Carrie, did you set this up? Wow, you're the best. I can't believe it.
Page 109. Exercise 8. Grammar focus. Reported speech. Statements. Direct statements.
I'm not feeling well.
Reported statements.
She said that she wasn't feeling well.
I have house guests for the weekend.
She said that she had house guests for the weekend.
I made a tennis date with Kim.
She said that she had made a tennis date with Kim.
I have planned an exciting trip.
She said that she had planned an exciting trip.
We can't come tomorrow.
They told me that they couldn't come tomorrow.
We will be out of town.
They told me that they would be out of town.
We may go out with friends.
They told me that they might go out with friends.
Page 110. Exercise 9. Pronunciation. Reduction of had and would. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how had and would are reduced in the following sentences.
She said she'd made the bed. She said she'd make the bed.
Page 110. Exercise 9. Part B. Listen to 4 sentences. Check the reduced form that you hear. 1,
She told me that she'd bring some drinks.
2,
He said that he'd taken a taxi.
3,
She said that she'd bought a gift.
4,
He told me that he'd tell all of his friends.
Units 15 to 16. Progress check. Page 113. Exercise 3. Listening. A small request. Part A. Listen to the conversations. Check the person who is making the request. 1,
Please pick up your things.
In a minute. I'm on the phone.
2,
Excuse me, can you move your car? You're blocking my driveway.
Oh, sure. I'm sorry, I didn't realize.
3,
How many of these should I take?
Don't take more than 3 a day.
4,
I missed English yesterday. Can I borrow your notes?
No problem. They're right here in my bag.
5,
Jake, please come into my office.
Yes, sir. I'll be right in.
6,
Can we leave now?
Please don't go until the bell rings.
Page 113. Exercise 3. Part B. Listen again. Complete the requests. 1,
Please pick up your things.
In a minute. I'm on the phone.
2,
Excuse me, can you move your car? You're blocking my driveway.
Oh, sure. I'm sorry, I didn't realize.
3,
How many of these should I take?
Don't take more than 3 a day.
4,
I missed English yesterday. Can I borrow your notes?
No problem. They're right here in my bag.
5,
Jake, please come into my office.
Yes, sir. I'll be right in.
6,
Can we leave now?
Please don't go until the bell rings.